Alright, I wanted to share my thoughts about this real quick. I was asked what were my thoughts on the city and how they handled this just past storm. I thought that they did pretty well. There are some people suggesting that there are some places that have not been plowed and things of that nature, but overall, I think that they did pretty good. Uh, the city's collaboration with the utility companies and things like that was pretty solid. And so, yeah, that's what I think. I think that they had even did like some press conference before, and people were talking about why are they doing that? It's their job to be transparent.